Hi, I want to talk about credit scores. What does a score consist of? What is needed to get approved, and what can we do if you don't meet that minimum credit score? So first of all, when we pull your credit, or when someone's looking at your credit, there's three repositories. There's three scoring systems. So we pull your data. We plug in your information and it pulls up those three data points. And the things that affect that are every credit card or every lender that you've had pretty much since you started getting credit. The biggest emphasis goes on mortgages and then cars and secured loans and so forth. So if you have a mortgage that's paid as agreed, you're going to have, and a car paid as agreed, and credit cards, you're going to have a high score, and they can be in the mid to high 800s. And then as you start getting some collections and late pays and so forth, it starts tinking away at that credit score. If you have a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a repossession, things like that, that'll really take a knock on your credit score. So there's no pure science behind the scoring system. But let's now talk about what you need to get approved. So on a conventional loan, the standard loan that everybody thinks of, you need a 620 minimum credit score, okay? On an FHA loan, most banks require 620 to 640 for FHA and VA and USDA. We have the ability to get a loan done with a 580 credit score. So there's not a lot of lenders out there that have that. So if you've been turned down because you don't have a 600 or 620 or 640 credit score, please call us because we can get it done down to a 580. Let's say we pull your credit and we need a 580 and you're a 560. Okay. I'm not a credit analyst, but I've been doing this for 25 years. So a lot of times I can take a look at your credit and kind of guide you through or give you some pointers on what could be done to increase that score. There's also a system that we have that we can run a credit analyzer and say that you're a 560 and we need 580. I can plug in saying what could be done or what needs to be done to get 20 points. If it's possible, this system will read that data and come back to us and tell us exactly what you need to do. And we need to follow that to a T. For example, if your Visa bill, you owe $500 on your Visa and it tells us your Visa balance has to be $184, we'll ask you to pay that down to $184, get us that data and we'll get it fixed. And we can get those fixed usually in about a week. It's called a rapid rescore. And we can help you there. So again, if you've been turned down because your credit scores are too low, and give us a call. We might be able to help you in regards to that. So the best way to get me, 630-232-4800. You can reach me on the web at 1160mortgage.com. Text me credit scores if you want to text 630-768-1317, or feel free to email me also at dan.frio, Frio, @gmail.com. Thanks again. Have a great day.